Hey everyone, welcome back to Zakai Tech. Today, we are reviewing a massive full-size digital piano bundle designed for learning and home practice, the Veitob 883 88-key semi-weighted digital piano kit. If you are looking for an 88-key starter piano packed with 1000 timbres, Bluetooth, USB-MIDI, and a complete accessory package right out of the box, let's break down everything this system offers. First, let's talk about the keybed and sound features. The Veitob 883 features 88 full-sized semi-weighted keys. Semi-weighted keys give you touch responsiveness while keeping key pressure lighter than a full acoustic piano, making it very comfortable for beginner fingers. It comes equipped with an impressive library, 1000 different timbres, 1000 built-in rhythms, and 150 demo songs. It also includes a dual keyboard mode, which splits the keyboard into two identical pitch ranges, perfect for student and teacher lessons. Moving on to connectivity and practice tools. This keyboard supports dual-mode Bluetooth and USB-MIDI. You can easily connect it to smartphone apps for interactive piano lessons, or link it to a computer DAW for music editing and recording. For daily practice, it includes an onboard record and playback function, a microphone input, and a USB MP3 player interface. What makes this package stand out is the all-in-one bundle. You don't need to buy extra accessories separately. The kit includes a XX keyboard stand for stable placement, a sustain pedal for authentic note hold, headphones for quiet late-night practice, a padded carrying case for transportation, a music stand, a music folder, plus key stickers to help beginners learn note placement faster. Overall, the Veitob 883 is a feature-rich, high-value 88-key starter package that gives new players every tool needed to start playing right away. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, leave your piano questions in the comments below, and subscribe to Zakai Tech for more audio tests, instrument showcases, and tech reviews. Thanks for watching.